Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the track 2 of learning Microsoft Excel tracks. So in this track we will be discussing that how to calculate the average, and normally in most of the cases in some data we are interested to find the average. So the average plays a very important role in order to calculate. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to learn the MS Excel completely, so I have uploaded the different videos on learning Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level, which are available in this channel. You can visit. So how to calculate the average? So that we write some data and want to calculate the average. And suppose this is 20 and this is 30, then 22, then 45, then 89, then 70, then 45, then 35, then 12, then 96. So now this is the data and we have to calculate the average of this data. So when you are going to calculate the average, so first you will select the cell where you want to uh, make your to where you want to locate the average. So means to find the where you are locating the answers means the average. So we will select this and then we'll enter the equal sign and then we'll write the average. And when you write the average, then you have to enter the data. So you will select from the top and then we'll go to this one, the down this most value, and then we'll enter. So now you can see the average of this data is equal to 46.4, and the average is basically equal to the sum of the numbers divided by these numbers. Means you will count and will divide the sum of these numbers by that numbers, so you will get the average. So this is how you can calculate the average. So let me repeat once again how to calculate the average. So first you will select the cell where you want to locate the average and then we'll enter the equal and then write the average. When you write the average, then bracket open and we'll select the data for which you are interested to find the average and then click the enter. So you will directly get the average of their those of their data. So this is the average of this data. So now if you have any questions that how to calculate the average, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.